how long do you wait before you ask them whether they'd be interested to look at what you have, your business?
Yeah, so it's not that I have an exact timeline on that. Honestly, it's more so my daily DMO. So I am a list worker. So I put, if I'm messaging, and having business conversations with 10 people today, well, then I need to add 10 people to the bottom of that list. So when their name comes to the top, if the subject hasn't been brought up, then that's the time that I'm going to say, hey, listen, we've been chatting for 3 weeks. It could be 3 months, but it's just a matter of saying, hey, I just realized I didn't even ever ask you what you do for a living. Share with me. And then it always opens up the door for me to then share with them as well. If they are interested in becoming a customer or working alongside me, that's great. But if not, it doesn't mean the relationship is dead, because that's the piece that comes first.
That's one of the best answers that I've asked the question a lot, because a lot of people ask, how many messages do I send out before I invite them, right? And the reality is, like you said, there's no set answer because everyone is different. Some people like to be quick and direct. Some people like to chat. It all depends on the situation.